In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a wrong deposit and payment in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever entered a deposit with the wrong amount, date, or details, don't worry. This is something you can correct directly in your books. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own QuickBooks account and feel confident that your records are accurate. First, let's navigate to where your deposits are stored. Start by going to the Settings menu in QuickBooks Online. This is the small gear icon, usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. When you click that gear icon, a menu will open with several options related to your company setup and accounting tools. From this menu, look for and select Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is essentially the master list of all the accounts in your bookkeeping system, including your bank accounts, credit cards, income, and expense accounts. Once you're in the chart of accounts, you'll see a list of all your accounts. Find the bank account where the incorrect deposit was recorded. This should be the account that the deposit originally went into, such as your main checking account. When you locate that bank account in the list, look to the right side of that row and click on View Register. The register is like a digital checkbook. It shows every transaction that has been recorded for that account. In the bank register, scroll through the list to locate the deposit transaction you need to fix. You can use the date, amount, or description to help you identify the right one. Once you've found the incorrect deposit, click on it to expand the details and then select Edit. This will open the full transaction screen where you can make adjustments. Now you can correct whatever was entered incorrectly. You can change the amount if it was recorded too high or too low, update the date so it matches your actual bank deposit, or adjust other details like the customer, payment method, or account category if needed. Take a moment here to double-check everything against your bank statement or your original records to make sure it's accurate. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will update the transaction in your register, and your reports and bank balance will now reflect the corrected information. That's all you need to do to fix a wrong deposit and payment in QuickBooks Online.